Sony M-50. It's a rare micro cassette, stereo micro cassette player. It's FM module. Takes micro cassette standard. Working perfect. Okay. It's the FM module. Sometimes it catches because I'm living in a very remote area, and here mostly radio sometimes catches the signal and sometimes not, but in the city it's working very perfect. It has no issue at all within the city. Okay. Let me play the tape.
Axiom, speak to Rob, read the cards, what he thinks the position should be, then go and speak to McGeary and sort that situation out as what's coming on Monday next week. Third axiom, speak obviously with Bruce and 20 in the morning
You can see
about
tape is working perfect.
Do action list to do as a result of
I don't
the
have
meeting.
any stereo recorded cassette.
Et al. Ad Axiom for approval. Send configs over to Rob Nichols.
It's just a mono recorded tape, so I'm just playing just to show you that it's working perfect. Everything is perfect. You can see the battery compartment is also clean. Here is the serial number. You can see. So everything is perfect. Thank you for watching.